Yeah, so we have some interesting background noise right now. Yes, we have an interesting background noise. Yes, and it will be showing up on both recordings. In a slightly different way, in a slightly different fashion. But previously I said that NT scoops up way more sound from around itself. Well, I don't know, does it? Or is it actually quite comparable to this RE20 thing in practice? Like, neither one of them is aimed at the pipe that is actually making that noise. That pipe is actually, I think, to this direction. Yeah. So, this one still tends to sound better no matter what kind of treatment you have in your room, yes. It kind of tends to do that. Tends to get less flavored by all of that. But, yes. Quick knob action. But this one, this NT, yes, I guess equalizing the gain just kind of by ear and visual slightly might not be the most accurate thing ever. This, yeah, I don't know. I think I hear small, insignificant kind of little noises a little bit better, or I might be simply telling myself things. I still think I do, though. Yeah. The noise stopped.